Finger joint. Understanding its meaning and usage. Hello, everyone. Today, we're going to explore the term finger joint. This phrase has a fascinating usage in both everyday language and specific fields like anatomy and carpentry. Let's dive into what it means and how you can use it in different contexts. In anatomy, a finger joint refers to any of the flexible joints located in the fingers. These joints are crucial for movement and dexterity, allowing us to grip, write, and perform various tasks. Each finger has three types of joints. Metacarpophalangeal (MCP) joints, connecting the palm to the fingers. Proximal interphalangeal (PIP) joints, the first bending joints of the fingers. Distal interphalangeal (DIP) joints, the joints closest to the fingertips. Understanding these joints is essential for comprehending how our hands function. In carpentry, a finger joint is a woodworking technique. It's used to join two pieces of wood end to end, creating a longer composite piece. The joint is made by cutting a set of complementary rectangular cuts in two pieces of wood, which look like two sets of interlocking fingers. This method provides a strong bond, ensures durability and strength. Aesthetically pleasing look, often used in visible areas for its unique pattern. Efficient use of material, allows shorter pieces of wood to be joined, reducing waste. This technique is popular in furniture making, cabinetry, and flooring. Beyond its literal meanings, finger joint can sometimes be used figuratively in language. For instance, one might refer to a collaboration or connection between individuals or groups as a finger joint, emphasizing the interlocking and supportive nature of the relationship. I hope this video has shed light on the versatile term finger joint and its various applications. Whether it's in anatomy or carpentry, or even used metaphorically, this phrase has a unique place in our language. Thanks for watching, and remember, understanding such terms enriches your English vocabulary and comprehension.